welcome back, guys. We got a little project going on. We got the underglow. We're gonna finally put that in on the Jag, and we got some of the RGB color change dome lights, and we're gonna put them in a few places, and we're gonna get the Jag lit up and get some pictures and video. So stay tuned, guys, and show you what we're doing. All right, guys, here it sits. We got the kit out, we got the lights out. There's actually going to be 6 of these going here. I already have 2 of them in. The ones for the driver and passenger floorboard are very easy to get to, and I couldn't resist, so I tore the pack open and I put them in just to check them out, see what it's like. It's the same. This is the same underglow kit that we gave away in the lit giveaway. It's the same one that's on the trap blazer. It's the same one we've had. We're about to get it in here, so without further ado, guys, we're gonna get it lit up. I've done this a few times, guys. It should be pretty quick, pretty simple. I don't know exactly where I'm gonna run them through on the Jag, but we're gonna get the creeper out here, get everything stretched out, hooked up, see what we got, and go from there. Shouldn't be too long, guys, and we'll be back. All right, guys, there it is right behind me. The Jag is lit up. The underglow is installed. I got a couple of dome lights in. We're gonna finish that project another night. It's starting to get late, but we got this done. It's good to go, and we're gonna give it a walk around and check it out, guys. Alright, guys, that's the underglow on the Jag. It's looking good. I'm liking it. It's late, guys. It's time for me to wash up, call it a day, and just chill the heck out. So until then, guys, in the next clip, we're going to get the dome lights, all the other lights and stuff in. We'll definitely be getting those clips and working at them hard here while it's warm this week. So if you're here just watching the videos, make sure to go ahead, hit the like button, share, subscribe, all that stuff. You know what to do. Get in the comments, let us know what you think. And until next time, guys, just keep on trapping.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.